Hi everyone, Tibrans here. Today I want to show you how to make dynamic serial numbers. You see, like I have got the data here. The numbers are 1 to 6, but if I delete number 4, it doesn't update automatically. If I delete number 5, it doesn't update automatically. So let me show you how to make this dynamic without the struggle of having to drag fill. So what you're going to do, you're going to start with rows. Just write the function row. And if you look here, there are two rows and row. We're going to use row. Just close the bracket, then say minus, again row. And here you are going to take the cell, the first cell above where you want it to start. So we are going to say A1, but for this one, you press F4 to lock. Once it's locked, you close and enter, then apply to all. Then you realize in this instance, if I now delete my F4, you see it's updating. If I delete my row 2, it's updating. If I do again with row 3, it's updating. So this is how you make dynamic serial numbers. Follow us for more Excel tricks.